Everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Her. Today, I actually did a live stream of me trading. Today, honestly, the price action was terrible. I closed the day down $300, which is unfortunate for me being my first live stream back. But you know what? That's what it is. You can't have winning days all the time. Here, I go through, what happened, some of my trades as I was trading it. And if you want to see more of this type of content, leave a comment below. Like the video. Definitely appreciate you. Now let's get it. See what we're gonna do. Our market's open, kind of at the top of the range here. Might let a few minutes kind of shake out here, kind of see what happens here. It's gonna be interesting. Are we gonna break? We're gonna break the top side here. Let's see. I'm looking at if we could break that 852. Oof. I'm trying to see if we break the 852, but it went up to 845, but it's coming it's coming back down. I'm trading off the 1 minute chart here, so I'm actually using multiple time frames to trade right now. So I trade off the 15, the 1 minute, and the 5 minute all at the same time. Kind of all over the place right now. Let's see what we can do here. I mean, some of the stuff looks good. Some of the stuff is not looking good right now. ES is going up. SPY's going up. Can we bust through? Can we bust through? It's kind of a shaky morning. Gonna chill. All right, let's see if we can add. I'm gonna try to add one here. All right, I got out quick. I got about 5 points. So I'm actually trying to hit like five to 10 points on the Nasdaq. So that was a very quick hit there. I wasn't sure. I mean, I probably knew this was going to happen, but we're at resistance. So I just got alerted. We broke through this resistance here. So let's see if we can push through the resistance here. Well, we're kind of when you're like scalping futures, kind of high velocity. Yeah. So I'm just looking at. Okay. See, we got this huge bulldozer candle here, but now, I mean, that was crazy. Yeah, that was intense. Probably closed it out too early. At opens, I try to be a lot quicker because, as you can see, we can flap around. We can flap around real quick. Definitely wish I did more contracts on that. On that. We got Tesla up 702. Apple's pushing. I'm gonna try to add here. Kind of see what happens here. Obviously, we'll put a stop in. I get a little pullback here. We'll look to like kind of add into these pullbacks. I don't know. Can it hold it? Can it hold it? That's been the trouble with these markets, though, is like it hasn't been able to hold these rips. And that's why I'm doing one contract right now, because like the amount of points that it moves. I mean, this just moved like 70 points. Now we're moving 30 points. Can't hold it. Can you hold? Try to add one off of here. Nope, nope. So that's kind of what I mean. Like this is the danger about like being bullish right now. It did the same exact thing to me yesterday, where it ripped like this. I did the exact same thing yesterday. So I caught the initial move, and then I try to get back in on like a little bit of a dip here, and it got massacred yesterday. And this is I actually lost the same exact process. However, I was losing on 4 contracts instead of just 1. So that was intense. So let's go slow. Let's see what the setup is here right now. Right now, what I'm looking at, yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, it just like that's been the frustrating thing about this market is it can't hold. You know, it just can't hold. And you know what? I don't want to flip like short long, short long, short long, short long. You know, I'm just gonna relax. Won the first trade, lost the second one. The second one was a bit bigger than I wanted to lose though. But I've been trying to get better at letting it breathe a little bit. But man, it just looks bad. All right, we're turning lower right now. I put on one contract here, see if we can come down here. All right, so I just grabbed like 8 points off that. So I did let the problem is I did let this loss here get a little bit bigger than I like, but we'll kind of come back. I mean, we're down a little bit, but nothing we can't come back from. Trying to see if we're gonna. So we tapped the high end. I thought we were gonna bust out, and then so let's see if it taps the low end here, and if it bounces. if we're gonna get chopped up in here. But yeah, not like an ideal start. But it's only been like 7 minutes, so. Market gives, market takes. Yeah, I mean it's trying right here. Probably short into this. Let's see here. Let's see what they're gonna do. They're gonna tag me to the upside now. Definitely a lot. These opens have been pretty crazy. Could rip back up. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna close it down there. Might rip. I'm just kind of worried. I'm just kind of worried that it's going to bounce. I got about 4 points off of that. We'll hit a good one here soon. Just you know what I don't like is it's kind of basing here at 70. Needed to break through here, and you can kind of see here as well. If you've got a double bottom here in the 5 minute, could potentially push up. Apple's trying to push. Some of these stocks are trying to push back up. So let's see who's stronger. Right now I'm down about down like $67. But I don't like to short down into these setups, as you can see here. Now we're pushing higher. So like if I start feeling uncomfortable about the trade, I'm gonna take the trade off. It's kind of what looking to do here. So let's see here. Let's see if they break to the downside. Really need it to break out. Like I need it to really break out of this like box that it's in right here. Need it to break out of this is what I'm looking for. I thought we had it. That's why I got a little bit aggressive here to the upside, but it failed. It failed. And at open, I kind of let more points go by than during the day, just because of the wide amount of points it's been running. But it looks like so far they're trying to chop us. So if it's chopping like this, just take it easy, because this is not where we're going to make money. You start feeling like I'm comfortable. Like I was looking for a breakdown. Obviously, didn't happen. So I did get two small trades right in here for profit. The problem is, like, I added into this and it freaking got demolished. But it also, like, now I don't want to go long. You know what I mean? Like, you kind of feel like you don't want to go long. Like I should probably buy this here. Should I try? I'll try the bull again. We'll try the bull. We shall try the bull. Let's see if it can hold this time. Let's see if it can hold. Things look pretty good. I mean, like, Apple looks pretty good. I mean, things look pretty good, but man, every time you go long, they just don't want you to have it. Like, I feel like I should be long, but yeah. All right, so I guess we're just gonna take it easy because the market is just chopping. Got stopped out. It's hard to be long right now. Got stopped out twice being long. Let's see. I mean, the only time I made money was going short this morning. Fake bounce. All right, so let's see if we could break out of this box now. I just did a small scalp there. Got like 6 points off of it. I want to see if we're gonna break. I want to see if we're gonna break this area here. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, if you look at Apple's chart, I mean, we're getting chopped here. I mean, looks like it's going to. Is it going to give it? Is it going to give it a fight or not? That is the question. Is it going to give it a fight? And I got some ground to make up here because I've. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? No. Nope, they're buying into this here. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Problem is it broke the upside. They really baited me on this upside here, though. I'll be honest with you. So far, win rate is not the best. Probably have like what, a 60%, 50% win rate right now. And Tesla's getting shredded. Reason why I'm looking around, I have a lot of different screens up. Come on, break us out. Break us out. I don't really want to short into this. That's why I'm closing my trades. Like when we're in this like box area, I don't like to let my trades run, because as you can see here, close it out here, bounce, close it out here. Now we're bouncing again. And as you can see, trading the chop is not the most profitable. So I guess I'll put up the resistance here again. Let's see. Still in here. Still in the box. I mean, it looks like we're gonna break down, but I kind of want it to happen. So let's see what happens. Right now, the only time I've made money was going short. That's today. Are we gonna break down here? Are we gonna flush it? You're gonna chop us. That is the question. You're gonna flush it. You're gonna chop us. What's the question? That's the question here. I mean, it's only been 20 minutes, so let's see. Down a little bit right now, so we'll see. Try to see where the opportunity. See if we can get a push up to 860 area. I probably won't let it get that far, but we'll see. We'll see. Are you going to fail? But I mean, it looks like it kind of looks like we're warming up here. I mean, Apple. Let's see if Apple can break out here. See if we can get a push back up. All right. Looks like some data came in. Data's coming in here. We're getting a little rowdy. Let's see here. June services PMI 55.3 versus May 55.9. Manufacturing new orders 55.6. Previous was 57.6. So we're down on both. Maybe that's what the market was waiting for. Kind of determine what the situation is here. U.S. JOLTS job openings, actual 11.254. Forecast was 10.9. Oof. All right. So manufacturing employment actual. Well, that's not good. That's not good. Let's see. Let's see if they. Let's see. Are they gonna say? Are they gonna save this? But right now we're stuck. All right, 1-on-1 contract here. See if we can get somewhere. Let's see if they pop it back up. But today might just might not be my day, you know. Just what it is, what it is sometimes. Fortunately, it's like the first live stream I've done in a while, getting smashed, but actually doing better than yesterday, because yesterday I was down like 350 at this point in time, and now, I mean, not doing great. They really want to push. They really want to push Apple up here. They really want to push Apple. Are they going to stop me? Well, there might not be a trade till later. More along the lines like right here. But I mean, not very confident. Not very confident today in breaking out. I mean, Apple had a clean breakout though. Like they really wanted to push Apple higher. Like that's what they really wanted. But other than that, I mean, Amazon, Tesla's red. Amazon's just choppy. No, they're not gonna do it. I mean, right now down 289, which is, I mean, it's not great, but it's not horrible. Not what you want to do, but I mean, I guess what do you expect? I mean, usually my worst performing days are when we chop. Obviously, I think everybody's worst performing days are like when we chop. Man, they really try to prop this up. Now it's just. Let's see, what are you going to do? It looks bad. Establishing some resistance up here now. Some heavy sellers came in. SPY is just getting killed. VIX is pushing. VIX is pushing. I mean, we're still in chop territory though. I mean, they've been pushing off these lows here. with the chop, the thing is with like chop, you don't get like a good continuation. So you can't let your trades run. I mean, if you look at SPY here, I mean, we're basically just 381 to 383, 381 to 383, back and forth, back and forth. But like the amount of points it's running is incredible. These algos are broken right now. They're just like, I don't know, I don't know what you want to do. Yeah, not the easiest price action right down here. To move down to these lows here. If not, probably gonna call it quits. Come back later. Because they're just chopping us. Let's see if we can get a move. Let's see if we can get a move down here. We're below averages here. We'll see if we can push this down. I mean, we'll SPY. I think we kind of need like SPY and Apple to break for NASDAQ here, but it's just not happening. Nope. So I guess that's it. That's it for today. That is it for today. Just can't seem to break out of here, so we're just chopping, losing money here. So we're gonna come back. We'll come back tomorrow. See what it does. So you guys have a great day. As always, stay safe, stay green. Us versus herd.